what's going on? It's your girl Black and I'm back with another video. This video is different from our usual videos because usually we're like dancing and we're hyped up and we're all over the place. No, this time we're still because we got a problem. We got a problem and I'm trying to solve it. So I have a hairline problem. Look, my hairline is leaving the building. I'm gonna undo my hair soon. So by the time I film my final product, my hair could be undone. So a colleague of mine said vicks, vapourrub, helps restore your hairline. So I'm going to be a guinea pig and I'm going to try that out for you. This is day one. I'm gonna do it for a week or two. So I bought some vicks, still new, and I guess you have to just apply. Can I apply them on lips first? Cause my lips dry as fuck too. So I'm going to apply this on my hairline. I googled it. I didn't just listen to a colleague of mine because I googled it and Google says it does help. I'm gonna insert the screenshot. It says something about the methanol, etc. I don't know. I'll just insert the screenshot of my research for you. But until then, this is day one of, let's make it a 10-day process. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to film every day because I struggle with consistency, in case you guys haven't noticed, but I'm going to try my best. And if not, you guys are gonna know that I used it for 10 days consistently, and then I'll show you the results after 10 days. But I'm gonna try and film. Go guys, go back and yo, please look at my hairline. Like, it definitely needs Jesus or Vicks, either way, because I might just cut my hair. But before that, you know, let's give Vicks a shot at this. Give me a moment. I made sure I put enough Vicks. I'm gonna put my natural hair growth oil on the rest of my hair, but that can be done off camera. I just want to emphasize the Vicks because I really need my hairline back. I've worked so hard for natural hair to grow, but yeah, let's see how that's gonna go. How have I been hiding my hairline, you ask? Like this, looking crusty but still cute. Okay, so now I can't do hairstyles like this because how? Let's keep to this. I'll update you on the second day. Fuck, my eyes are burning. Okay, so this is how much we've used today. I don't know if can you see, is the focus shifting? No, that's how much Vicks we've used today. Day two, I will film and let you guys know how that goes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let's hope this Vicks works. I hope it saves your lives too, because it needs to save mine for real. What's up, fam? It's day two. I'm late for work, but we're gonna go hard in this consistency thing, right? Same old process. Vicks vapourrub, the first. Then we go in for the hairline. Warning, it burns. I mean, it's Vicks, so it burns. You'll figure it out on your own when you do it, but it burns. Do we see a difference already, or am I being just dramatic? I feel like it cleared my pores. Now my hair is gonna grow. If you guys want to call me dramatic up in the comments, it's fine. I'm accepting that. This gotta be the solution, guys. I feel like there's some sort of a difference. There's some sort, and I am putting it in. Like, I came for a win. Like, all or nothing. Period. Period. With my eyes. Okay. Day two. I'll put my hair growth oil on the rest of my hair. this is our progress thus far. I don't know. Okay, this side is not so bad. This side is the problem. And you'll notify me in the comment section what you think about day 2. What's up, Lunatic Squad? Today is day 3 of our vicks vapourrub thing. I don't know what to call it. Thing. Sequel. Treatment. Whatever. No, it's day 4. Yesterday was day 3 and I did not film day 3 because I had a hectic day. But we still trying with the whole consistency thing, even though we blew it with 1 day, right? But does that count? But anyway, let's go for this. Day 4 out of 10. Oh, I think there is a difference actually. I really think there is a difference. Why do I remember filming a day 3? I really feel like I filmed day 3. Maybe I didn't. Maybe I'm crazy. I don't know. Anyway, I feel like there's some sort of a difference. Some sort. Okay, so maybe Vicks does help. So does this mean... You guys must answer me in the comment section if you think I'm being absurd. Do you think if I put Vicks all over my hair... I'll check for YouTube videos and see if people actually do that. Is my hair gonna grow? Like, base my scalp with it. Like, all over my scalp. Is my hair actually going to grow? Because I feel like it's working. You guys remember how we looked in day 1? Yeah. Yeah. Big rough, big hectic. It was hectic. Okay, that's out. Not out because it doesn't want to come out. But at least y'all can hear me now. And I'm not going to cut that off. I'm not going to edit it out. Y'all must hear that. Everybody gets sick. Put on your masks. Okay. I put this Vicks. No, I don't play. I fire the Vicks. Look at it. I fire the Vicks. So this was bought specifically for this. Okay. Oof. I'm done with our day 4. I feel like it's getting better. Genuinely do, actually. Day 4 down the drain. I had to do a little stretch over there. Now tomorrow's gonna be day 5, then 6, and 7, 8, 9, 10, and then I'm getting posted. Okay, I'm talking too much. Bye. Okay, fam, I'm so tired today. Like, it's insane. Stay hydrated. Hell, it's day 5. 5, right? Yeah, it's day 5 of the 10-day challenge. I hurt my lips. It's painful, but okay, we move. Okay, fam, it's day 5 of the 10-day challenge, and there is some progress. I'm not gonna lie, there is progress. You guys can also see it and compare it to here. I didn't do my hairstyle from last night because that was wild. But hey, that's not why we're here. Day 5, almost at 6. Look at me trying to get this over and done with already. Trying to have my hair grown. Y'all see me in my night dress. It's my night dress. Oh, those from Instagram already know it. And those that don't follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. Okay, there's content there. There's content. Exclusive content. Exclusivity. And as people screen record it and shut it on WhatsApp, that it's not so exclusive. But it's fine. Yo, I hope please, yo. Like, I don't want mistakes. Like, this hair better grow. Like, what is your excuse for not growing? Give it to me. I want to hear it. Talk to me with your chest. Talk to me with your chest. With your chest. With your chest. Okay, I talk too much. I'm tired. Oh, here. This is where we're at. Our 10-day challenge. guys, we'll see you on day 6. What's up, Dynasty Squad? We have made it to the end of our 10-day journey. I know that I haven't filmed consecutively because that's what happens when you have siblings. Siblings steal your stuff, they disappear. But I try my best to keep it as consecutive as possible. But I can testify, as you can see the difference in my hairline, that Vicks does help with hairline growth. So I'd suggest, I and the lady that does my hair, we suggest that you use this for a month at least. 10 days made a huge difference, as you can see, but if you could use it for a month, you'll have a bigger difference. But you know, I'm not even gonna act like this process was flawless. I've got siblings, and siblings come into your room and they take your stuff, and it just is a mess. It's a mess. But yeah, I have come to the end, and I really would like to testify for eviction. So I do recommend that you use Vicks for thinning out hairline. It does work. New hair hoodies, new hairline hoodies, big forehead gang. Thank you for staying till the end of our video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys.